Hi everyone, welcome back to another lesson. So we have learned two questions, a question with ma and a question with كيف. ما اسمك or ما اسمك, كيف حالك or كيف حالك. So in this lesson we will practice these two questions here together in one conversation. So are you ready? So let's get started and let's talk some Arabic. Okay, so we have here a male and a female. Okay, so first I will read. I want you to listen carefully and repeat after me. مرحبا, كيف حالك؟ مرحبا, أنا بخير. وكيف حالك؟ أنا جيد. Very good. So we have here a new word which is مرحبا. مرحبا, which means hi or hello. مرحبا. Alright, so let's practice this together. I will be the male and you will be the female. Okay? مرحبا, كيف حالك؟ أنا جيد. Very good. So now you be the male and they will be the female. So you start. مرحبا, أنا بخير. وكيف حالك؟ Very good. So the next question we have here, ما اسمك؟ اسمي عزيز. وما اسمك؟ اسمي فاطمة. Alright, so I will ask you the question. I will be the female and you will be the male. ما اسمك؟ اسمي فاطمة. Very good. So now you start the question. You be the female and they will be the male. Okay, you start. اسمي عزيز. وما اسمك؟ So this was a quick practice and a quick review of the two questions. So what I want you to do now, just practice these questions more, and thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.